she came and bit me. I never bite up more than I got to, but then she bit my leg. She said, don't wanna work, I wanna play and live my life like it was Sunday. The only problem is that Sunday only comes now once a week, and I'm a freaker. We're breaking up the city, no time for wasting away. Tell me why should I stay a prisoner today? My body's tight, my soul's excited, and I wish that I was gifted. My body's tight, my soul's excited, and I wish I had some spunk. She said, I wanna run, I wanna hide and leave this place just like it left to me. The only problem is I need to find the balls to follow through, and that's the truth, but we're breaking up the city, no time to waste away. So tell me why should I stay? Love is